Last time I put some oil inside this unit and it doesn't work anymore. It feels quite good now moving, but during winter this is always stuck. So I'm going to open this and let's see what is broken inside. Here under this cover are the pins and small circuit board with a micro switch. And here is the piston, and this is full of rust. And there's a worm gear. So that lever moves the micro switch here, and the worm gear is here. Not for some reason not working now. So I just pull this out. It's in this position, full of water. I think this is dead. I can't fix this anymore. The pins for the motor are here. And this is empty. So this mechanism works without the motor. Is there something between now? So this is the problem. It is stuck here. The piston flew away. So I did some grinding here from the outside, but it didn't help. But I think the problem is here. The end of the lever is also broken down there. So this is only about 100 euros or less, 80 euros. So I put a new one. But the problem is this is too tight. The water gets in and it doesn't get out. It's broken.